Hello everyone. I just received this package today. Of course, this is the check, and iPhone 6. Yeah, this iPhone 6 have no power. You can see how is the screen. So this is a power problem. Okay, this one is just for the for LED. So Shelby, there is another phone that we're going to use the screen from this one to test it. This iPhone 7, no power. Okay, Galaxy S9, water damage. So we want to get the data. You can see the top screen how it's. We want to get the data from this one, and this guy who send us another screen to use it to get the data. That's good. And so look like this is iPad Pro. This is a charging port. Oh yeah, the charging port is completely gone. So this is a USB-C charging port. So that's the piece from the charging port. But it's going to need another charging port for this one. So let's go one by one. We're going to fix them. I'm going to try to show you for each device, and we go from there. I start with the iPhone 7. This phone has very serious issue. It's really bench bad. Right there by the SIM card hole, you can see the phone is very. Alright, this is the motherboard. You can see the motherboard is bent. You can see the CPU shell is cracked. So is cracked coil over there. So that's the coil. I'm gonna put it back. So I'm gonna remove this shell here and look if there is any like cracked coil or ICs, or see if we can save this phone. But this is really serious damage. After I changed the coil in the iPhone 7, the phone is stuck at the DFU mode. So I try to restore it, and it's giving me an error, cannot like enter the recovery mode. The phone show nothing on the screen. So this motherboard maybe has broken traces inside the board. Some ICs, there is a crack in them. It's hard to tell. So I'm gonna let the customer know about this phone, because it's gonna be more work. For the iPhone 6, the one that it was like water damage around the Wi-Fi IC, that capacitor. So after I removed the capacitor, the circuit is gone. So the phone is charging and powering on, and there is all the data still in it. This is just, they said, like for no power. The problem for no power is fixed. Alright. So and I'm gonna go to the next device.
Okay, the boot.
So there is a search. I took the two capacitor, but still there is a search. I soldered this wire in the where the search capacitor is, and let me put some alcohol.
I think I'm in what's the last.
So here we put alcohol. I'm gonna power on the power supply. Yeah, this capacitor here is bad. So let's remove it. Let's test still there is any search.
No.
Yeah, so the search is gone. So I put the motherboard in the frame, plug it to the charge. It's taking about 300 milliamp. That's very low because maybe the battery is not it doesn't have enough charge for it to start charging with the right amp. And they do have the battery symbol. This is a big step to get the data recovery. So I'm gonna wait till the battery has some charge and we check it. So the phone is charged a little bit. Yeah, the fast charging is on. You can see 8 volt over 1 amp. The phone is, and there is the passcode. Yeah, the phone it works. I did test the SIM card. You can see the signal. So yeah, this phone is ready to get the data. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. We go to the next one.